Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I've done a video before on the variable outline tool that is only in Corel 2023 or newer. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video, if they've got some new versions. It's a pretty cool way to do things and draw if you're not very good at drawing. Let's just take a 2-point line and draw a 2-point line and go right here to the bottom to your variable outline tool and just kind of go wherever you want, like in the center, and get those arrows and draw it out. You know, you can click here and draw it in. Well, I'm having a little bit of problem. There we go. See the arrows? I can go in or out. You know, this would be pretty cool if you were making a leaf. Let's say that's good, and you can continue from there. But it is a line. So we can go to object and convert the outline to an object. And then you could left click, right click, and then you could still manipulate it. You know, if you put P and put it in the center of the page, you know, you could still take it further than there by taking if we took away all these nodes and made it a little bit rounder and take away all the nodes, well, you don't want to take away that one probably, but then you could, working in the center of the page, if you wanted to, do something like this and make your leaf like that or the other way, and don't forget if you right click on that and turn it into a cusp, that you can change just one handle at a time. So what I said about drawing in the center page, if you wanted that to be your item, Control D to make a duplicate and mirror it, and then you could do one of two things. You could just take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in, and it made that new shape of that leaf or whatever you want to call it. And you could still go further there. You could still, bring it in, but you have, if you want it symmetrical, let me get rid of these. You need to put it in the center of the page, Control D, and mirror it, and then this would be symmetrical. Anyway, hope that it gave you a few ideas, and thank you for watching.